Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing with this Beauty Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. It looks like this, and while the packaging is not my favorite, I will say that so far from what I can tell, the quality of the shadows are there. You are getting full-blown Pat McGrath quality. I'll take a hit on the packaging so that I can still keep the integrity of her formulation. If you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be playing with the Pat McGrath Celestial Divinity palette. I actually got this yesterday and I've been dying to play with it, but I have been busy and haven't really had much of a chance. So I'm going to take my Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC, and today I'm going to use this as, my hair, as my primer. First I should tell you guys that there's only 3 matte shades in this palette. It is this, this, and this. So I'm going to start off with taking this little guy here. And this palette, I'm going to talk as I do my makeup. So I'm going to use a 224 by MAC, and I'm just going to take that color into the crease. This palette is different from her other palettes because obviously it's cardboard, which is why this palette is more affordable than her $125 palettes. This palette retails for $78, and you are getting 18 shades. She wanted to give us a palette that would be affordable. Now the only thing is, if you bought her Star Wars collection, then these shades here and these shades here you already own. The middle 2 rows are the new shades in this palette. I don't own any of her Star Wars collections, so for me it was a win. What I'm seeing is that this is very pigmented, very true to her formulation. I haven't noticed any discrepancy yet, but I will let you know as I'm playing with this palette. Again, this palette is very shimmer heavy, which I'm okay with. I will tell you guys that there aren't any of her special shades in this palette. You just have her shimmers, which, you know, that's fine. She did release 3 other palettes in this collection. This is her holiday collection, by the way, and I purchased 2. I'm debating on getting the blue one, to be honest with you guys, because the friends and family sale with Sephora is happening now, but I don't know, we'll see. This color is building up beautifully. It's a beautiful pink purpley shade, and I like it. It's very pretty. Okay, so I think I am going to I want to add a little shimmer to the crease. I'm going to take this shade, this dual chrome shade here. As you guys saw, it leans pink, it leans blue, it leans purple. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, and I'm just going to pop that lightly into the crease because I don't want there to be a ton of shimmer, but I do want there to be like, oh my goodness. That's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I should take that into the crease. I mean, into my, damn. Guys, there are a lot of colors in here that I'm dying to play with, but I think I'm gonna take, damn, no sé. I wanna use this on the lid because it's just so beautiful, but maybe we'll just keep it here. We'll see. If my son were awake, he'd be like, Mama, no digas, oh my goodness. I don't know why he thinks that's bad, but all right, guys. I am going to take this shade here, which is Megabyte. This color that I just added to the crease, is called Venusian Orchid, Megabyte Venusian Orchid. And this color here is called Dragonfly, yeah. So the other nice thing is that she has the colors in the back, and to be honest with you, I prefer that over the little carton that sits on the top. I just think it's better because then you can, you know, oh my gosh. I never tell you guys what colors I use when I'm using her palettes because I just always put the little carton off to the side and it's just easier for me to show you. But in this case, when I was about to show you the color I was using, I saw the little stickers in the back. Guys, almost want to take that all over the lid. And I accidentally, oh, I love that. I messed up. I wanted to apply this to the inner corner, but we're gonna flip the script. And now we're gonna use this on the outside. I needed this. I've had a really rough couple of days at work. We're going through some stuff with our students, and all this work that we've been putting into equity in the last 3 years is just kind of lost right now. So I've just kind of been in my funk and in my feelings, and I needed to play. So I've decided to take a little break. I've had a really long day already, and it's going to be even longer. I'm actually working until about 7 today. So Mama needs a break anyway. Ooh. Ooh. I almost got this on my pantaloon. So now I am going to take this color here, which is Odyssey. That's right. Ooh. I'm gonna take the same brush. I'm gonna use the opposite side. I don't really know where this look is going, guys, but we are just going with the vibe. And I'm just telling myself, and if you don't like it, you don't have to post it. I'm not mad at it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna mix something else into it. I was hoping that this would be a little bit more vibrant, but it's still pretty. So I'm thinking I'm going to take this color here, Lunar Champagne, and I am going to pop that just in the center. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. This is giving me Aladdin vibes. I'm gonna take my purple again and just make sure that we're blending and not really, ooh. This is giving me Mufasa vibes again. And for those of you that have been watching, you know I've been referencing the Lion King a little bit. I'm going to take, I've wiped off my brush, and I'm going to take the purple side and take some of that lunar color and then bring that right up towards the brow. I don't know where I'm going with this, but it's where my mind went, and I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just pop it on the high points of my brow. I kind of want to keep adding stuff, but I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go back in with the dual chrome purple shade and just blend, blend, blend. I know I'm losing some of that gold, but that's okay. I'm going to take the first shade that we use, which is this color here, and I'm going to use that to line the lower lash line. I don't know why I'm not using the big mirror she provides. I haven't taken off the plastic either. I'm gonna take some of that really violet shade and just kind of connect the orchid shade. Connect the outer corners. I am loving this. I'm gonna take my mascara and just hit my lower lashes because I've gotten some shadow on there and I wanna make sure that they're nice and defined. So this is what the eye makeup is looking like. So I feel like this look is calling for more purple, and I'm gonna take this Urban Decay liner in Shock, and I'm just going to pop that into the waterline. For my lips, I'm gonna take Deep Orchid by Pat McGrath. I am digging the way this turned out. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Pat McGrath foundation. I'm just gonna take one little pump, and I just wanna freshen up the center of my face. All right, guys, so here is your final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I think it looks pretty badass, and I think that she did a really beautiful job with this palette from what I can see. I am going to try and film some more with this palette. I just got it and I really wanted to play with it. But so far what I can see, she has delivered. Mama has delivered. All right, guys, so let's talk. So you are getting 18 shadows, and you're getting the carton packaging, which is not the fancy black packaging, but it is still a sturdy packaging. You're getting a really big mirror, and you are getting a variety of shades. So with this palette, what you're seeing is you have these little ribbon ties to hold your palette up. If these break, which I've heard some people have issues with it, then your palette will lay flat, which to me is not a big deal. The actual palette came in this carton, which has a little flap that you can tuck into the actual carton itself, and it looks exactly like her palette. This is a $78 palette, and I think that it is a great price point if you are someone that doesn't own a ton of her palettes, and you're getting a chance to play with the Pat McGrath formula without these special shades. The astral shades are those really pretty, like, intense, shimmery, dual chrome, triple chrome shades, but you are getting some really beautiful colors, and you're getting this one, for example, that has like a shift to it, which can look pink, purple, blue. You're getting a really beautiful arrangement. Now, from what I hear, these two rows and the two outer rows are shades that have been featured in previous palettes. If you own her Star Wars collection, then you have these shades. The only shades that are new are the two middle rows, which are absolutely stunning. I'm fortunate to say that I don't have her Star Wars palette, so this was a nice bargain for me. If you're interested in the Pat McGrath palette or any of the holiday collections, which I did purchase 2 other shades, then you can go on her website and purchase them. If you use the code Celestial10, you will get 10% off of your purchase. Even though I haven't had a chance to play with all of these colors, I'm pretty sure that we're going to get fantastic quality from her because she delivers. I haven't had any issues with any of her palettes, and I own quite a bit of them. So I'm gonna say that if you are on the market for this, get it. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week. And make sure to like this video, as it does help my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Did you pick this up? Have you played with it yet? What are your thoughts? Thank you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.